Hello everyone. Further tuning, flight tuning on the flame wheel is going to be a little delayed. While out with my wife celebrating her birthday last Friday, I took a rather bad spill on a Segway and have a mild concussion. And I'm just not going to fly right now until the effects of that wear off. I'm sure it won't be long. It's 5 days ago now, and although today was one of the worst days, it is getting better, but we'll see. So I'm going to do some bench tuning on this to get it going and talk about how a lot of those things are done, right down to tuning the amperage on the current sensor and stuff like that. At the same time, I'm doing that on the bench while I'm got myself grounded. I'm going to work on this old discontinued quad. This was right after the Honey Badger and before the Flame Wheel. This is an old Hobbyking X650F 550 millimeter quad, and the frame actually folds. If you loosen these two screws, the arms will come together right down the center here for transport like it really needs it. Anyway, this one's got an old Futaba, true Futaba. Oh, if we can see that, R6208 RC receiver on the back with 8 wires. In the APM days, pre-Pixhawk, we took 8 wires over to the flight controller. This flight controller was capable of S-bus, and so was this receiver, but this one just wasn't set up that way. This was the original days. When the Pixhawk came out, Pixhawk had a single S-bus connection, so you could take one cable over from the receiver to the flight controller. But I think this flight controller even is bad, so I'll be taking that out, using it on a rover or something if it is still good, ground station, antenna track or something. It's an 8-bit. This frame isn't as important to me as the Honey Badger was to keep the way it was, as upgrading it and flying it with the current version of hardware and software. I probably will still use the 3DR GPS, perhaps the radio, who knows, but I will replace the RC receiver and the flight controller. Other than that, the frame and the ESCs and the motors are all landing gear. That's all. Power distribution board on the bottom. It's all good to go. Flown that one lots of times. So that'll help fill in the gap until I can actually get back in the air. And I didn't do a video of it today, but also at the first of the year, I got the new radio to go with the old Futaba. I put EdgeTX on it today for a short while. I didn't do a video on it. I just went through it one time to see how it's all done and what happens, and lo and behold, the touch screen works. This is the TX 16S Max I got and have been using recently with the flame wheel. But I'll be going back through that again and showing the new EdgeTX, the next step. So OpenTX, I guess, is end of lifetime, basically. Or I don't know if OpenTX is going to continue and EasyTX is going to branch off, but we'll get into that when I go back into this again to just do a video on the EasyTX installation and show the touch screen working and all those enhancements. So I will still keep myself busy, but I won't do any flying. I just don't trust it right now. All right, guys, thanks a lot.